It's here.
It's small.
Well, yeah. It's gonna be smaller when we get it out of the box, I guess.
Yeah. I'm excited though.
128 pounds.
Yep.
Well, it's gonna be a little while.
Yep. Chicha. 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 It's so tiny. What the heck?
Well, it should be easier to get inside.
Yeah. Chicha. Kawaii. Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
Okay, so we somehow installed a fridge.
This is the fridge.
Woohoo!
Nice. Oh, yeah. Cool. This is the freezer.
So this one is the bottom freezer.
It's got a couple of drawers. Put things in.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So cute.
It's shiny. I like this rim.
Yeah.
And these handles. It's very short.
I know. It's pale blue. And then we did that part of it.
Yeah.
Huh.
Bringing something into a bus is not easy.
It's okay. It's gonna happen sooner or later. Right? So that's the new fridge. Now I have to put everything back in the fridge.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is our new fridge. Let me introduce you. It says Chambers on the front of it. As you can see, hopefully from the light, it's a light blue, sort of turquoise color. It's kind of like a retro fridge. We got it because we like the round edges, and this sort of style is kind of matches with some of our other items, you know, that we appreciate. And when I see it in the morning, and you know, it's over here, I'm like, oh yeah. And we appreciate just the look that it gives the kitchen.
Yeah.
But it is smaller than our previous fridge a little bit, pretty much all the way around. However, it does hold a lot. I think the walls may be built a little thinner or more compact. This is the door. This is the inside.
Yeah, those are all the food.
Got lots of shelves, and so you can see kind of a light blue light in there. This is about the same size, I guess, the drawer and thing. It's got some chrome, which I like, the little chrome rim. This is a bottom freezer, like this, so you open the door, and then it has slide-out drawers. These are pretty small, so we actually have another deep freeze that we ordered in the mail. It's just nothing to freeze, but the top drawer, I guess, is bigger. It holds a lot, but not. We'd like to have a little bit more space for stuff we want to freeze, so we're going to get a small size little freezer just for extra. And as you can see, it's pretty short, a lot smaller than me.
Yeah.
But other than that, this is the new fridge.
Yay!
Welcome to our house.
It's blue. It's cute.
Yeah.
It matches a house.
Yeah, like we've got these drawers and then this turquoise plate. It's kind of like stuff that we like. I like to.
The color matches.
See. And she gets these blue Tupperware and different things, but that's it.
Yep, thank you.